Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Phantom price prediction and Phantom news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Phantom in 2022. Phantom is an open source and permissionless decentralized smart contract platform for decentralized applications and digital assets, one of many blockchain networks created to provide an alternative to Ethereum. The Phantom mainnet blockchain was launched in December 2019, and its network architecture aims to provide a viable solution to the blockchain trilemma by providing a stable balance of scalability, security, and decentralization. The Phantom Foundation was founded by South Korean computer scientist Dr. On Byung-ik. The current CEO of the platform is David Richardson, former managing director of Mid-Ocean Consulting. According to the official website, the Phantom team consists of engineers of various specializations, scientists, researchers, designers, and entrepreneurs. Employees are scattered all over the world in accordance with the spirit of the distributed platform. Now we will tell you the most important news about the Phantom cryptocurrency. Phantom, FTM, breaks out from 43-day resistance line. Phantom, FTM, has been moving upwards since February 24 and has broken out from a diagonal resistance level. However, it has yet to reclaim the crucial horizontal resistance level. FTM has been falling since January 17, when it reached a high of $3.37. The downward movement led to a low of $1.30 on February 24. Measuring from the high, this amounted to a drop of 61%. The ensuing bounce created a long lower wick and served to validate the $1.35 area as support. The area has been in place since October 2021, so it is a crucial level that is expected to provide support. FTM has been increasing since and is approaching the $1.95 resistance area. Despite the ongoing bounce, technical indicators are not yet bullish. While both the MACD and RSI are increasing, the former is negative and the latter is still below 50. Movement above these levels is required in order for the trend to be confirmed as bullish. Therefore, FTM has to move above the $1.95 resistance area in order for these indicators to cross into bullish territory. However, the 6-hour chart shows that FTM has already broken out from a descending resistance line in place since the Jan high. This supports the possibility that the price will reclaim the $1.95 area and continue increasing. If it does, the next closest resistance area would be at $2.35. This is the 0.5 Fib retracement resistance level and a horizontal resistance area. So next news. Is the demand across Phantom's short-term market enough? The ascending channel, orange, has been one that the price has been trading within for a little over a week. The $1.7 area, cyan box, had been a key area over the past couple of weeks. This was because the bears flipped this area to a supply zone. Only over the past week have the bulls been able to establish it as a demand zone. When the price rose above $1.7 and retested the $1.54 support level, it was the first indication that the short-term market structure had flipped to bullish. The previous lower high at $1.65 was breached. Similarly, after bouncing from the $1.35 support, lower low, the price found support at $1.54 to register higher low. Hence, the short-term bias was considered to have flipped to bullish. In the next couple of days, FTM bulls have to ensure that the price doesn't drop below $1.8 in the channel lows. Going forward, the $2.05 2.1 last month. While the entire market depreciated in varying degrees, Phantom was busy breaking and making records. And the biggest enabler of the same was none other than the King coin. That, however, has now become a problem for Phantom. Phantom marked new at the surprise quotient here isn't that it hit a new all-time high. It is the fact that FTM managed to do it in a bear market. The same bear market which reduced Bitcoin down to $42K on the price charts. On 16 January, the altcoin closed at $3.31, just 20 cents above its previous at recorded in November 2021. Perhaps, the most significant factor that came into play here was FTM's negative correlation with Bitcoin. On 17 January, for instance, FTM had a negative 0.53 correlation. It went on to fall further towards a yearly low of minus 0.64 on 21 January. Over the next few days, alas, this correlation rose rapidly, and Phantom began falling. Depreciating by 53.53%, Phantom fell to $1.53. However, as the correlation once again touched minus 0.05 and the price began rising, the rising correlation, 0.37, became a problem. Right now, its effects are clearly visible on Phantom's price action. Thanks to political developments around the Russia-Ukraine conflict, global stock markets crashed. And so did the crypto market. While Bitcoin and most major altcoins dropped by over 10%, Phantom lost almost 17% of its value. Phantom's investors will have to wait as it will be a while before they find the opportunity to become active again, especially since their on-chain behavior was significantly higher when prices were high. In fact, transaction volumes, which were at $440 million at their highest, have dropped to just around $31 million. Plus, since most FTM investors are mid-term holders, they will probably HODL for better opportunities, unlike Shiba Inu and Dogecoin holders who pump and dump around rallies. Looking at the price indicators, particularly the relative strength indexes plunge into the oversold zone and a rising bearishness on the MACD indicator, it is apparent that the price might continue to fall. Although Phantom has never been subject to prolonged lingering in this zone, it mostly looks like this will be the first time it slips below 30.0 on the RSI. As long as it stays above the critical support of $1.15, it will be able to revive itself, which is what the investors are currently hoping for. Next news about market wrap. Today we will discuss the Phantom price prediction for 2022-2025. Is Phantom, FTM, a good investment? Now we will analyze this. FTM rate prediction 2022. FTM will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Phantom rate will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2022, the Phantom rate will be almost $2.21. The maximum bet we can get is $2.61. Phantom average price prediction for the end of 2022 could be around $2.28. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. FTM, price prediction 2023. A flawless approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this forecasting platform, Phantom will remain at its current level for a very long time. By 2023 FTM is expected to peak at $3.94. The minimum bet could rise to $3.19 if the market turns bullish. Price Phantom forecast 2024. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Phantom could cross $5.52 if the market sees a nice bull run in 2024. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2024 will be around $4.76. FTM price forecast 2025. For a long-term forecast of the Phantom price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average FTM price will rise to around $7.20 by 2025 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2025, the year may end with a maximum price of $8.32 with a minimum price level $6.96. And what does 2026 promise us? FTM can reach $12.03 by 2026 with significant collaboration with financial institutions if the following requirements are met. With an average rate of $9.96 for 2026, it could beat the latest price trend and reach new highs. The bet slogan may vary as the crypto market may see another bull run on its way to 2026.